to another unboxing. This time I got for you guys the new ASUS ROG Zephyrus G15 3070 laptop. It's the 15.6 inch size. Power adapter. So this is the 15.6 inch size. Got it in the black color. They have both black and white. Pretty heavy laptop. Plenty of ports. Alright, so now that I have the laptop opened up and all set up, one thing that I did notice though is that it gets really loud and it gets really hot. I just went ahead and downloaded Google Chrome and the fans just went crazy. Go ahead here, check this clip out, see how loud the fans get. But good thing, that's why I went ahead and bought that the laptop cooling pad from the last video. Go ahead and check that out. So let's go over some of the specs of this laptop. It runs on Windows 10 Pro, has the Ryzen 9 5900HS 8-core CPU, Nvidia's RTX 3070 laptop graphics card. It also has 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes is soldered into the laptop, and 8 gigabytes can be upgraded. It also includes a 1 terabyte SSD, which could be upgraded up to 2 terabytes. The screen itself is a 15.6 inch 2560 by 1440 display, resolution display. It also has 16 by 9 aspect ratio, it's anti-glare, and it's also an IPS, the display. So the viewing angles on it, they're not bad at all. Now with the ports, it includes one 3.5mm combo audio jack, one HDMI 2.0B, two USB 3.2 Gen Type A, and there's two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, also an Ethernet port, and a micro SD card reader. Now the keyboard itself is backlit chiclet style. It's not individually RGB. The whole thing just runs under one RGB. It's also not loud at all. So when you're typing on it, you won't be bothering anyone that's next to you or around you. The audio has built-in array microphone with two 2-watt tweeters and four 2-watt woofers with smart amp technology, so 6 speakers in total. Communication, this runs on Wi-Fi 6 and also includes Bluetooth 5.1. The battery itself is a 90 watt-hour battery. For me, it gives me about, with heavy usage, about 4 hours if it's not plugged in, but I always usually like to keep it plugged in when I'm using it. Now let's see how this laptop runs while gaming.
Team deathmatch. MTC is live. Bring the hammer down. Taking control. Going flank. safe zone. Eliminate all targets in the AO. You win this fight and you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective. Go back to the front line.
So that's it for the unboxing and quick overview of my new ROG Zephyrus G15 laptop with a quick benchmarks test. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.